Ako.
Rose!
I have a story for you. I have a story to share for you. The title is The Arrogant Rose. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a small but dense forest. The trees whispered to one another, and the flowers pollinated to each other, and all the plants enjoyed being together as a forest. One day, one of the beautiful days of spring between a cactus and a sunflower, a glowing seed started to grow. This growing flower was a gorgeous rose with the crimson petals. Hello, my name is Rose. Then the cactus replied, I'm Cactus. Nice to meet you. Whoa. Your petals are so beautiful. I wish I had petals like yours. Then Rose replied to Cactus. Thanks, but not everyone can be as smart, beautiful, and fragrant like me, right? How to respond surprise to everyone because she was such an arrogant flower, even though she had just blown. Then Clearest, I am obviously the most beautiful flower here.
Tama.
Look at my shiny petals.
Hey, shiny petals. Sorry. Ako lang kasi to.
Flower here, Rosie. You're just watching them. Rosie looked angrily at the tree and said, What? How dare you to compare me with a prickly cactus? I am much more beautiful than him.
Tama.
Was very upset about what he heard and could not say anything. Cactus was very upset about what he heard and could not say anything. The tree replied to Rosie. It's not nice what you said to Cactus, Rosie. And Rosie replied to tree. Actually, it's not nice to compare a cactus with a beautiful rose like me.
Yeah, me.
Neither the cactus, nor the sunflower, or the trees could get used to Rosie's attitude because she was such a flower that constantly praised herself. Days passed, and finally summer came. Sunflower was very happy with her bright yellow face and followed the sun's rays all day long. Cactus, on the other hand, drank the water he had stored throughout the winter and kept himself healthy all summer long. However, other plants were not able to store water like Cactus, and Rosie even began to wilt because of tears. Will it ever rain here? I'm about to wither because of tears. All my beauty is gone. Then Tree responds to Rosie. Winter has covered its rain, Rosie. You can ask Cactus for help. Rosie, look at the cactus, was very happy helping other plants. But she was too proud to speak up because she always says bad words to him. However, when another petal and withered from her head, she put her pride aside and put her pride aside, and she is willing to be embarrassed. She asked Cactus for help. Hey Cactus, I'm sorry for the cruel words I said to you and finally you are both beautiful and very useful plants for this forest. Can you help me too? Cactus saw that Rosie was choosing to be humble and had put her arrogance aside. So he shared his water with her. And finally, Rosie felt like spring out inside of her once again. And her bright petals spread out plants in the forest became friends, especially Rosie and Cactus. And Rosie learned not to judge her friends by their looks, because no matter how we look different from each other, each one of us is designed with beauty and helpfulness. Yes, yes!
Oh my God. I love you, Stephanie.
Galing mo.